Hey guys, Ben from BP Performance here. How you doing? Today I'll be starting the disassembly on my 351 modified engine. Start by taking off the water pump and getting this distributor out. This thing is seized in there solid. That ain't going nowhere. I got my little torch here and some turbo sockets. First things first, this little bolt, completely round it off. Probably gonna have to get a pair of vice grips on it. My turbo sockets are a very odd size, and I don't have one up here. Okay. Here's the pistons, the valley lifters, back of the block, distributor. Where are my vice grips? Oh, they might be over here. I'm gonna sneak by. Okay, might not be able to get that off today. I don't have my puller. So I was able to take the water pump off. Nasty water pump. I hammered a 9mm socket. It's like 12-point socket onto the rounded bolt, and then I was able to just work it out. So now working on this distributor. This thing is a problem child. My little torch is almost out of gas. Not really doing much of a help. I think somebody else had a problem on this before, because none of these are mine. I destroyed this case. Try to hit it from the little drive rod in the bottom that connects to the oil pump, and that just blew this apart. I don't really care about any of these internals. They're all getting replaced eventually. But I guess we'll try to beat it out a little bit. So it is turning. Okay, maybe it was not turning, and I was just wrong, and now it's even more destroyed. Okay. Alright, that's not... crap. Let's take this apart. Okay. Yeah, I think I was completely wrong. It was not moving, and now I broke the top off. So, yeah, that's no fun. All right. So, to not get it out, I thought I did. Okay. It's just one thing after another with this, man. Let me get a pair of vice grips on this. And get it to turn. Alright, well I'm going to flip the motor over and try to push this rod out through the bottom with the oil pump drive rod. See how well this stand moves? I think better. Alright, so I got the rod here. Flashlight here. So it is right there. So let me give this a couple whacks. Okay. So let's back over. This is one of those new Harbor Freight. Oh, are you kidding me? Okay. Not that great. There's a lot of shit that just fell out. Continue to flip. It's Harbor Freight 1,000 pound engine stands. Bless me. Oh, that inner piece is moving. Let's see if I can. All right. This thing like a slide hammer. Alright, let's keep whacking it. Alright, so it wants to come out. It's just not coming out. Trying my best not to damage the block. Ah, I got it. There's what's left of my distributor. All right. All right. Cam gear's mangled. Have to get that cleaned up at the machine shop when it goes. It's hard to get good. So here's what's left of my distributor. Got that little piece there. That piece there. The pump. There's the water pump, fuel pump, oil pump, and the pickup. And then all the way over here, it flew off the motor, is the top of my distributor. Into the bin of crap to never be seen again. So next time I'll be disassembling, I'll be pulling that crank pulley off and disassembling the rotating assembly. Thanks. Hope to see you next time.